Hello friends, today we will discuss about the printer scale. I will explain you how to print bills or add items in the printer scale. This is the printer scale. Here we have two ports to attach external keyboard. In the back side there are two screens where you can check the information. In the bottom there is an AC power input, a power switch and 4 adjustable base caps to help it settle in uneven surfaces. If we keep an item on the scale, the weight will be displayed on the screen above. You can list items with a unique number for each, and when you enter the number using the number keys below, the item will be selected and shown in the display with its rate based on the weight we put on the scale. Similarly, we can add more items by pressing the M+ button and add up to 50 items at a time using the item codes. Finally, after adding all the items, we can proceed the billing by pressing the M+ button again and then pressing the print button will get the print done. Here you can see the printed bill. Now we will see how we can add store name in the bill and how we can update the price of existing items in your printer scale. First of all, press Alt and then press M+. Then we have to enter password. You can see weight settings on the screen. Press Mode button first to go to System Settings and then press the Enter button. Now you can see PLU Edit on the screen. PLU Edit is the option where we can edit the name of the already listed items. But first I will show you how to add your store name in the bill. For that, first of all we have to go to Other Edit option by pressing the Mode button twice and then we have to press the Enter button. Now you can see Header 1 on the screen and then press the Enter button to move to the next line. To remove existing name, press the C button and then type your store name. For example, I am typing ABC Store as my shop name. Use 0 button for space between alphabets. Then press the Enter button and press the Mode button to go to Header 2 and Header 3. You can edit them very easily like Header 1. You will also find 2 lines for footer. After your edit is complete, we can easily go back to main menu by pressing Exit button. Now let's try to print the bill and see. See, now you can read ABC Store as the Header 1 and all the other changes we made are visible. Now let me show you how to add a new item or change the name and rate. First press Alt and M+ and type the password. You can see weight settings. Press the Mode button to go to System Settings. Then press Enter for PLU settings. Now enter the number in which you want to add the item. Suppose 1. Now it will show if there is any item already listed on that number. Now if you want to edit the name of the existing item, then press Enter button. Press C button to delete name and enter the item name and press Enter button. Suppose I type potato. Then press the Mode button to go to next menu, and in the rate menu you can type the rate of the item and press Enter button to continue. Now in the unit menu you can select to sell the item in kilograms or liter or in quantity. By default, every item is set to be sold in kilograms, but you can always change it. For kilograms, you can press 1, press 2 for liter, and press 3 for selling in quantity. We will press 1 for this item. Now by pressing mode button, we can go to the tax slab where we can add the tax percentage if needed. Press mode button again and you can choose if you want to add it on bill or not. Now you can move to the next item in the PLU by pressing the mode button and change it in the same way that we did on the first item. Finally, if you want to add a new item to a new number, suppose 150, then go to PLU edit option and type 150. If the screen shows PLU 150, that means no item is listed to that PLU number. You can type the name of the item there and set the rate and other fields. Now when you search for number 150, your newly added item will be shown. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you liked the video.